Hey folks, Jim here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Warhammer news video. As per usual though, if you like these videos, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from you guys and it goes a massive way to help the channel too. So without further ado, we're now on day 6 of Warhammer Fest Online 2021 and yeah, we have some new cool stuff to talk about. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and yeah, I'll see you in a second.
Three brave soldiers went to the bog. One disappeared right into the fog. Two brave soldiers went to the mire. One disappeared from around the fire. One brave soldier went to the fen. None of the soldiers were heard of again.
Right then, so as you can tell, Warhammer Age of Sigmar is seeing a massive new update. We kind of already knew about it because of the Broken Realms books, so they released 4 Broken Realms books and then a new edition of the game itself. So the 3rd edition is coming, and yeah, there's a lot going on with it. So the 3rd edition is mainly based in the realm of Gur, and which is the realm of beasts, if you're unaware of that already, and yeah, there's a lot to go over. So the realm of beasts, of course, massive plains, everything like that, full of these legendary monsters, beasts and monstrosities and everything like that. The map itself is huge, it looks fantastic, and yeah, it should be really good fun to have a storyline set in that realm. But that is of course not the only thing that's new. So not only are we getting new enemies that are yet to be fully unveiled, and these enemies could be something that we haven't seen before in the mortal realms. They could be a reimagining of something old from the old world, or it could be something new entirely we're yet to see, but could be really good news and could be really good stuff. So it's going to be, you know, worth looking out for these guys. But of course, as it's the Age of Sigmar, we've got new Stormcast Eternals, which I know some people don't like Stormcast Eternals. Some people really disapprove of them and think that they are just essentially fantasy versions of Space Marines. But these new Stormcast Eternals look fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, I think they look really cool, and we're gonna start off with probably the coolest one, and the one who is definitely going to be a centerpiece model, and that is Indrasta, the Celestial Spear. So Indrasta is a beast slayer beyond compare, and has been tasked with hunting down the most terrible monsters found in the mortal realms. She's carried into battle upon angelic wings and wields the legendary spear Thengavar, and her mere visage strikes a terror into the enemies of Azir, and yeah, that is one hell of a cool looking model. I really like this. The lore behind her, from explained in today's preview and today's video, Twitch TV stream and everything like that, is that she is blessed by Sigmar to be comparable to a Lord Celestant, and she has this awesome armour, but she is a lone unit, so she is not dedicated necessarily to any particular storm host or anything like that, but she is a kind of a lore unto herself, and goes around the mortal realms slaying these monstrous beasts and everything like that, which look really cool. One thing I must admit I love about this model are those wings. Those wings are fantastic. They look big, like big massive angelic versions of eagle's wings. They look really cool. The idea is that she looks more angelic, and definitely of the power of Azir, and definitely from the heavens, and yeah, the model's fantastic. I can't think of anything that I really don't like about it. I think the model is actually absolutely brilliant, and I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on this at least once, and and I think I can't wait to add that to my Lions of Sigmar setting and everything like that, and my Storm Host for Lions of Sigmar. Really good stuff. I like the scale mail armour, which is really cool, and all them new armour plates which look like they're more fitting and look like they fit much better than the bulky armour of the regular Stormcast Eternals. Really nice model. Really impressed with this one. And of course, because there's not only one new model, there's going to be multiple. We also have new battalions of Stormcast Eternals. So we have the new Stormcast Eternals, which are the Vindictors, which are kind of like paladins, but they carry these awesome spears, which look very similar, of course, to good old Industria. So they look very comparable to Industria's spear and everything like that, and they are awesome looking. The shields look amazing as well, without having the anvil or the lightning bolt on there. I do really like having the stylized face of Sigmar on the shield, and I really like the new armor, which is the Thunderstrike armor set as well. And this is obviously, they've changed that because of what happens in the Broken Realms Be'lakor book. So if you've not read it, then it's worth picking up and having a read through it. If you're happy for a spoiler, don't skip this bit, because I will talk about it out for the next few seconds. So in Be'lakor, there is a massive kind of whirlpool of energy that he has unleashed, which stops Stormcast Eternals from reforging properly and stops them from ascending to Azir to reforge. The Thunderstrike armour negates that though. It's new armour designed by Sigmar and his allies that helps protect them, so they have a more higher chance of being reforged. However, ones in older armour, like your Liberators, your Secretors and everything like that, have a chance of never being reforged again and being stuck because of Be'lakor. But these armours look really cool. There are some other posed versions and some very nice ones as well, and the colour schemes can be fantastic. So there is a picture there, of course, of a Celestial Vindicator in that armour, and so on as well, including that bareheaded one, which looks absolutely fantastic. I must admit, that's a really cool pose. Definitely battle ready. Looks really good stuff. Looking forward to getting my hands on those guys, and they should be really good stuff, and definitely worthy of being in the Lions of Sigmar Storm Host as well for myself. And then, because it wouldn't be anything without having some really heavily armoured Stormcast Eternals, we have Annihilators, which are a new generation of paladin. They have these awesome hammers and awesome round shields this time round. They are brilliant looking. The armour's very heavy looking. It's got that stylised lion head as part of the breastplate and everything like that as well. And yeah, they are really good. And obviously they are very more kind of clad, ready to face something a little bit different. Now, whatever we're going to get next could be really good stuff, but this is all stuff that we've got to look forward to in the 3rd edition of the Age of Sigmar, which is really good stuff. I'm looking forward to it. I must admit, I really like Age of Sigmar anyway, and these guys look really cool. I like all of these units so far that have been shown. There's not many, of course, but I'm sure we'll get a lot more kind of revealed to us later on, and yeah, it should be really good fun. I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, my only question is, are you looking forward to it? Are you an Age of Sigmar fan? Are you looking forward to these new Stormcast Eternals like I am? Or are you hoping for something really cool coming out? Let me know in the comments down below. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the very near future now that Warhammer Fest is all over. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye now.